Hi, it's Mark here at Kenan's second deal today. So this one is 168 secured, not purchased, not bought. It's an assisted sale property. I'm just going to walk you quite gently through it and show what he's doing. So he's stripped the wallpaper on this one. It's again a 1970s build, square house. The walls are actually pretty good condition. We'll just widen that out for you so you can see it. And we wander into the living room. This is the downstairs living room, and it's a cracking size. Now, one of the questions was, shall we take off the beams because it's a 1970s house, square built, and it shouldn't have beams on because it's not a cottage. Well, they're already there and the ceiling looks pretty good, so my advice was to leave them there. They're not offensive. I mean, they shouldn't be there, really, but you know, they're not offensive, so we'll leave them. And this, you could call it as a refurb because it's more in depth than the last one. And look at this, he's got all his jobs on the wall. The biggest wall you can find, put all your jobs on the wall, and everyone in the house that's doing jobs sees your jobs and can pick up bits from the builders merchants if you need them. We've got an off-centre window we've got to deal with there, so that's a little bit off-centre. There's more on this side than there is on that side, so we'll frame it with some curtains there. We've got a breakfast bar on this side, sink right at the centre of the room, or centre of the window, and then coming back. We've blocked in a serving hatch there because we don't need that. Then he's going to put a cooker and a hob and shelves and all sorts in here. Now we'll go upstairs and I'll show you the bathroom on this one. Oh, we've got a lovely downstairs toilet. And what they've done, every house has got a boiler, right? This isn't perfect, but it will do, and it gives a downstairs toilet. So he's going to put a new toilet in there with a hand basin on the cistern and then leave the boiler exactly where it is because it just works. Not perfect, but no house is perfect. So we don't need perfection on these deals. We're just building a new home. So I'll walk round the hallway. Bedrooms are all pretty plain. He's swapped some of the doors around to make them right. Then on the bathroom, now what Kenan's creating now is a model of how he does bathrooms. This is incredibly similar to the 1930s house he did a few months ago. And he's doing cladding. He's kept the tiles, notice, because the shower, which is over there, we're going to keep. And then the tiles are actually all flat. Now they're pink, and the suite was pink, so he's taking that out. And we've got this weird slanty bit here in the room, which is taking up space in the room. So above there is going to be some shelving, and then he's experimenting with his model now, cladding on top of the tiles, and then a new bath, a toilet on the right hand side, and then a floating sink on the left hand side to get the space right. And then the door opens this way onto this wall, so you see the maximum space in the room when you open the door. So that's that one. This is Kenan's second. The numbers on this one are about 168, secured at about 10,000, just under 10,000 to do, and then a sellout at 210. So if you want to know how to do these, give us a shout.